a fireball asset pack. So what I would do for a fireball is you would want it to not just be unless you want it to be, do you want it like, if you want it to be like a particle, let me know while I'm making this. But if you don't, this is how you would make it. This is how I would make it at least. I'd make an icosphere, 2 subdivisions, of course, wireframe, and then I would cut this part off, get rid of all these vertices. I would fill this top in, so I'd highlight these F, go back to material preview. Then I'd grab this face, oh, not extrude, subdivide, subdivide, and then I would go here, triangulate. Normally, triangulate messes. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. And then we could go subdivision, decimate the subdivision, and we go double subdivision again. I like doing subdivisions and decimating. It makes me feel a lot more confident on these. And then you can just drag these middle pieces up randomly. These want to be top more on the top. That's annoying that it doesn't do what I thought it was gonna do. There we go. That's more along the lines of what I wanted. So, you know, up, up. I'm gonna grab this down. I use a knife tool, by the way, there on that line, and then connect it to another piece just so I can have that vertex to pull down. Up, down, down, up, up. Then we can grab this, pull it down, grab this, pull it up, pull down here. Then we'll grab, actually we could do this, and it'd probably be a lot easier than using the knife tool just to pull down. We could shade smooth, auto smooth, 45 would probably look a little bit better. And then what we could do from here is we would need to do a little bit of UV mapping. So we could go right here. Also, I'm going to grab these and pull these up a little bit more. I'm just going to scale it and pull up. That way it looks more like a fireball. Oh, that's a little bit messed up. Hold up. Subdivide and decimate. Boys, when in doubt, subdivide and decimate. Alright, I need to pull some of this down. Proportional editing always saves the day. Is there one right here? Okay, that's going to save a lot of Z fighting. Alright, cool. So now we can go and do the image texture. So if you don't know, I mainly use, let me open a tab real quick. Here it is. So I would grab this, save image as, it's 256 by 256 pixels, which is really low. It's like, what, 1/8 or 1/16 of the, of HD. So I would go and grab that, image texture, or sorry, base color image texture, open, and then I would open, I'm assuming this is it. So then we would grab that, and so since we've already projected from view, we can drag over, let me turn on proportional editing. We could drag over to something like this, or actually no, this is a good spot. Scale down, and then SZ, and we're getting more along the lines of Fireball now. But then we turn back on proportional editing. We're gonna scale it down, and we're gonna use it to pull up. That way, the top of it will be more along the lines of the yellow, and the bottom will be more red. It'll look more along the lines of a grid than it would normally. Like that. And that's how I'd make a low poly fireball.